Firing of this when I go live, but I'm not going to do that tonight. It's just not working for me. I don't have good lighting out here. I'm going to have to hold the phone unless I put it in the, I might put it in the tripod. I do have that out here, but I don't have enough lighting. I've got the torch on, but it's not light enough to get over here. So I'm going to light it up. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So on the top there, open pipe, I have a thing ready to go down in there. I got to find my lighter. I don't know where it's at. Come on. Should be in there, easy to find. Okay, propane torch. Where's that? I got it. Okay. Easy to find that. So I explained in the other videos, they should upload by the time you see this one. If not, go back and watch them. But what you want to do when you're starting a fire, don't care what kind of fire, in a stove, outside, bonfire, campfire, I don't care what. Do it top lit updraft, much better. Instead of building a little teepee fire, you know, a little bit of twigs, a little bit of tinder, a little bit of kindling. Have that on top of your fire. Just have your fire built logs on the big logs on the bottom, and littler pieces on top. That's where you put your tinder bundle, on top, not on the bottom. You don't start from the bottom up. You start from the top down. Okay, so what is the top of this? The top of this is where that's coming out. That's where the smoke comes out. So that's the up. That's the up part of this configuration, even though the main part of it's horizontal. That got hot enough to light. Actually burned something in there. I think it was a label or something, but it started on fire in there where that white is. Little triangular white there, you see? That lit up. That was really weird. So it gets hot. Get hot enough to cook on. So this is all experimental, but it's all, you know, testing and perfecting and tweaking. So if you have any ideas, let me know. Any improvement ideas. So that jacket on there needs to be waterproof. No, it needs to be fireproof and water absorbent. Okay, so I need some kind of material that is, you know, like a, I can't quite, some kind of, you know, that's won't light up, won't burn. You know, like wool would be, obviously wool would have been better than cotton, but that's cotton. Wool would have been better because it won't burn as easy. I think it feels narrower at the bottom. It feels like it's actually, some of it's burned off at the bottom. I had it wetted down. I got a little bit of water there. I'm just going to pour that in there and then light it up. So what I have in the other end is a coat hanger, and I made a little holder out of it, a little basket holder. I'll show you one here. I think I got one laying here. Kind of, you can see this. Where'd it go? Okay, I made a little wire basket there to hold a Weber fire cube. In that tray there, these are little cubes to start fires with, charcoal fires. I get one out one-handed. See, they're white. They look like trioxane. If you're not familiar with military stuff, look it up. Military surplus, you can find trioxane and hexamine tablets. They burn so hot that, you know, when I was a kid, when the first one I lit up, I got a, you know, Army surplus store. Went home, lit it up. I couldn't see it burning, so I went to grab it, you know, and light it again. Burned my hand really bad because it was burned so hot you can't see the flame. More than blue flame. So this is more of an orange flame, but same idea. It's some kind of flammable compressed stuff. Kind of brittle, actually. Kind of hard to keep track of.